What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another, I guess, kind of garage video on today's mission, and that is the black quad. So I just want to give a huge thank you and shout out to HMF, one of my sponsors. Great company. We're going to do a brand new blacked out exhaust on this machine. Pretty straightforward. I've done these before, but I figured I'd just make a quick video to show you guys. And we also have some brand new HMF foot pegs and heel guards. We'll probably do that in a separate video, but today's mission is to put on this brand new blacked out elliptical full exhaust by HMF. Once again, huge thank you to HMF. I'll leave the info in the description. You guys want to check them out. They offer a ton of products for your ATVs and your side-by-sides and your 4x4s, so check them out. Be sure and tell them I sent you, but let's get to work. Alright guys, so this is pretty straightforward, not too hard to do an exhaust. Number one, just make sure your exhaust gasket is in there. You can change it if you want. We're just reusing the old one. It's in fine shape. Start with the header. You're just going to work the header through the frame towards the back of the quad, and then you can just line up the bracket on the two exhaust studs. We're just going to snug this up. We're not going to make it too tight right now. Just so we can move it around to line it up with the muffler. And then once everything is installed, we'll tighten it up. I'm just going to get it kind of where I think it's going to go. Just snug it with my fingers. I will give it just a couple of turns. That's, well, it's kind of staying in place. Alright, that's pretty good right there. Alright, so next we're going to work on the muffler. We'll put our exhaust clamp on the muffler and then just work it onto the header. I kind of just twist it, twist and push. That's pretty good. And now we'll just get these first two mounting bolts in place. Alright, HMF does give you some hardware, guys. I like to run a couple extra spacers. Just check this when you guys are doing it. With my rear shock, it's an OEM shock, but it's resprung and revalved by B&R Motorsports with the XC link. So with one spacer, it rubs against the header, and in time, it's going to put a hole in it, so you do not want that to happen. So just check. You might need 2 or 3 spacers. Like I said, I run 3. It just keeps it further enough away from the header where I'm not going to have to worry. So we got that one started, and then we'll get the next one started. I could probably get away with 2, but it's happened to me before where I put a hole in the header, and I've always ran 3, so we're just going to keep it with 3. It'll be fine. Tighten up our exhaust clamp. One of the things I like about the HMF pipe is you can run your OEM heat shield, so it gives it a nice look. Also will help protect your boot. Alright, we're just going to tighten up these 2 top bolts that are on the muffler and the bracket. That's these 2 right here. Make sure you tighten these up because they are not tight from the factory. That's good. We'll peel off these orange stickers. Alright, now we can tighten up the header. These are just 12mm bolts. We'll kind of do a few turns on each one, just so they're even. I will say, just after you run this for the first time, just go back and check all the bolts. They might loosen up just a little tiny bit, but we'll go grab our heat shield as well. We'll put that on. That's pretty good right there. All right, now we can do our heat shield. Like I said before, I think this is a nice touch on this exhaust. Being able to reuse the heat shield gives a good look. At least that's my opinion. You guys might not like it, but I actually like it. If you want to get fancy, I've done this in the past. I've actually powder coated this thing to match my engine cases, which looks pretty cool. They offer other header shields as well. LS4 makes some. If you want a nice carbon one, different colors, things like that. But I like the stock one. Does the job. Gives it a nice factory look. All right, that is a wrap. Now it's time to fire this girl up for the first time. All right, keep in mind that this girl has been sitting for a few weeks, so she will start, but she might be a little slow starting. We're on 12 volts too. Alright guys, that's a wrap. We'll give you a close-up look. She looks pretty sweet. The blacked out header and exhaust match this quad perfectly. A little bit of burn off coming out of the muffler, which is pretty cool. So you guys know my other quad, the newer one, the blue one. We ran a blue muffler. So that's one thing I like about HMF. You can customize these pipes however you like with different colors, different muffler styles between round and elliptical, and different end cap options, and then different inserts for the end cap, so you can quiet them down or you can run them wide open. And then you got the option of blacking out the header, which it just makes these things fit your build perfectly. Huge thank you to HMF once again. I'll leave all the info in the description if you guys want to get a pipe or some of the other parts they offer, because they do offer a lot of different parts. Check them out. Be sure and tell them that I sent you. But that's a wrap for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. That helps a ton. Drop some comments. Let me know what you think about this exhaust. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. All right? Peace.